4 glute moves to save your knees.
Let's go.
What's going on? Welcome to the Criticalbench YouTube channel. I am Coach Brian Klepacki. I'm a strength coach, functional movement specialist, and I love the glutes. I mean, who doesn't love the glutes? I know plenty of men and women who love the glutes. So not everybody can train your glutes. Well, that's a lie, because everybody can. And if you're one of those people who think they can't train their glutes because they've got bad knees, well, this video is gonna give you some hope, because these 4 moves right here are gonna save your knees, but also build those glutes, all right? So if this is your first time on our channel, welcome to our channel. Hit that subscribe button, because I know you won't be disappointed in our content. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And you know we love talking about the glutes. But back to those first timers, welcome again. And I want to give you something for free that's going to help strengthen your glutes. It's a 5-minute glute workout. Download it right now. Underneath this video, in the link in the comment section, there's a link that's going to say free glute workout. Click it, download it, use it. But here we go, back to this video. 4 glute moves for your glutes, obviously, that are gonna be safe for the knees. So this is the hip thrust. Nothing new here, but not everybody has seen this exercise before. I was in the gym the other day, working out, and I'm looking at all these people. They think they're training their glutes, but they're not doing glute exercises, all right? They're doing squats, deadlifts, lunges. Again, all those exercises are great, but they're not doing specific movements like the hip thrust. And again, you gotta be doing glute-specific exercises to hit those glutes. So, all right, sorry. Let's get back to it. I know I got sidetracked there. So hip thrust, number 1 glute exercise. Tuck the tailbone, tuck the chin. Look forward, look on the horizon, squeeze the glutes right there, okay? I've been doing this exercise for years, not today, but obviously over the past couple years with resistance, and I've never had any type of knee pain. I get knee pain from squats, deadlifts, and I know someone's gonna say, then you're doing it incorrectly. Well, okay. I don't know too many people who can squat perfectly, so whatever. So I eliminate exercises that cause any type of pain. I still deadlift, I still squat, but this is my go-to lower body strengthening exercise. Now let's say you're bored with that. Obviously you could put a barbell on your lap, go to single leg. You can do, variations, you can do holds, stuff like that. And you can even throw a mini band on around the knees. Long story short, you have to be doing the hip thrust to strengthen your glutes. There's no way around it. You have to be doing it. So that's that. So let's go to the next exercise, which would be a glute bridge. I mean, it's just like the hip thrust, very similar. It's near identical. Now, if you're brand new to exercise, I would start off with the glute bridge first, just because it's a lot easier to perform. On your back, head and shoulders down, tuck your tailbone, drive your elbows into the ground, hips go up, squeeze the glutes at the top, back down. Now you might need to adjust your feet a little bit, that's fine. Get your feet a little wider or further out from the body. Hips go up, squeeze the glutes, back down. Again, just like the hip thrust, there are different variations. You can grab a Bosu ball here, elevate your feet. You can put the mini bands on, around the knees. You can go single leg. Plenty of different types of progressions that you can do for the glute bridge. And again, all these are safe on the knees. Not me personally, but a lot of clients that I've trained, athletes over the past years, everybody has injuries, everybody has limitations, but anytime that I give them these exercises to help strengthen their glutes, no problems with the knees whatsoever. I mean, you look at any type of physical therapy setting, athletic injuries, stuff like that, these exercises work. So if you're looking to train your glutes, but you have bad knees, these are your exercises for you. And don't forget about that 5-minute glute workout that you can get for free too. That's gonna help you as well. All right, prone squeeze. Right here. This is a great exercise to warm up with. So if you want to say like, hey, what's a good exercise to start the routine? Maybe I should have started with this, but either way, prone glute squeeze. It's a great muscle activation exercise. So what I'm doing, I'm tucking my tailbone still into the ground, pointing my toes out a little bit, squeezing my hiney cheeks together. That's what I tell my kids, squeeze the hiney cheeks. Right there, so squeeze, release. You're pretty much puckering up. That's it. I know it is kind of comical, but hey, it works. So squeeze as hard as you can, drive those hips into the floor. Not once am I moving my knees. All the movement is coming from inside, squeezing those glute muscles hard. Squeeze hard, 5-10 seconds, 5-10 reps, you're good to go. All right? Now, the fourth one, definitely I call this one's a butt burner. This one burns big time. Okay, so get yourself a mini band. Doing a clamshell. Clamshell is best done with a mini band. So on your side, right here, knees bent, hips bent, maybe about a 45-degree angle. Stack your feet up and back down. This targets more of the glute medius, which is your upper butt muscle. The first three exercises you saw are predominantly your glute max, or your big glute muscle. So there are plenty of other exercises to help strengthen your glutes and to eliminate knee pain. Most of the knee pain is associated with weakened glute medius muscle. So if you integrate exercises like this, a lot of external rotation of the hip, the femur, that's when you're really targeting that upper glute muscle. So clamshell is one of my favorites. I love using this exercise because it really is a low impact exercise. There's really no strain whatsoever, not only on the knees, but none on the spine as well. And all you need for this is a simple mini band. Open and close. So I just shared with you 4 glute exercises that are perfect for you to use to help strengthen your glutes, but also get a little bit of size and shape to your rear end. So if you've been struggling trying to build your rear end just because of chronic knee pain or whatever, use these exercises on your next glute or lower body training day, and you're gonna see some good things happen. But hey, don't forget about that 5-minute glute workout. Go underneath this video, hit that link in the comment section. It's gonna be bold there, you can't miss it. Download that. You're gonna get a whole free PDF of all awesome information all about the glutes, how to train them, what actually the glutes do. Just a great read, but it's gonna get you on the right track to building a stronger, rounder rear end. So again, as always, thanks for watching our channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.